guys, or welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. I feel like I haven't done this literally in forever because I haven't filmed since the summertime. I'm sorry guys, I know. But today I am here to give you my full apartment tour. My apartment is fully furnished. I've just moved off campus, and yes, my video from last year was a college apartment, but it was on campus and it wasn't in my name. So I've moved out here and the school year is literally almost over and I'm just filming this video. It is November 3rd, but yeah, better late than never. So I'm going to take you guys outside and get started with this video. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in 1 second. Okay, bye. Alright, so when you first walk into my apartment, here is the front door. Nothing special. We have hardwood floor or laminate or whatever they call it in our apartment. So I'm going to try to go slow because I've watched other people's videos where like they move really fast. I'm going to try to go as slow as possible, but here's the front door, and then when you turn, voila, here is our kitchen area. We just have 2 trash cans here, so the black is recycle and the white is our regular trash, and we have our broom here for when we, clean up and stuff. So here is the kitchen. I'll give you guys a little overview. Alright, so on this side of the kitchen we have our sink, pretty nice size sink, and we just have some soap and sponges and stuff like that. To the right of that we have our dish drain where we all put our dishes that we've washed or whatever. And then over here we have our coffee stuff, so we have our Keurig and one of these little old school whatever coffee makers. Above there we just have our cabinet with all of our plates, dishes, you name it, cups, mugs, whatever. And then on this side we have all of our spices when we chef it up. So then under the sink we just have like trash bags, miscellaneous cleaning items, dish detergent, stuff like that. Here's our dishwasher, and we have a few drawers that have just like towels and just stuff like that in there. And then here is my silverware drawer. I know it's a mess but that is my silverware drawer. Under here I have like some cereal, a few snacks. Oh, and then here's the rest of my snacks. I have a little little secret little stash over here, and then that's that. So from there I will get to this door later, but we have our fridge and we have all of our names on here. So we have Tiffany, Kristen, Sarah, and Julia, and we couldn't find like another S, so we just used a Z. And then this was P plus W, but for Peanut and Whiskers, our babies. And we don't have much in here. Well, we do, but yeah. So then to the right of the fridge we just have our blender, knives, utensils, more silverware here. Then under here we have all of our pots and pans, which yeah, we need to organize this stuff because it's a mess. Up here is just more snacks and stuff like that. Then we have our microwave, which is right above our stove and our oven. And isn't this the cutest thing? It says spoon me, guys. So you put your utensils or whatever you're using there. We have our oven, not really special. And yeah, that is pretty much the full kitchen. So over here, I said I would get back to it, is our laundry room. And we have our washer over here, all of our detergent, iron, extra stuff, storage up there. And then on this side is our dryer. We have a really nice dryer, guys, like nice high-tech, new buttons and stuff. And then we have just hangers here for when we want to hang dry our clothes, another blender, other laundry stuff, etc., you name it. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, we have this little tiny crock pot. It's so cute. We have our big crock pot up there, our George Foreman grill, all that kind of stuff. And oh yeah, that's not mine, by the way. I'll be 21 in 2 weeks. Thank you. So coming over here, we just have our thermostat, and here are our bar stools that we use to eat if we do eat here. I mostly eat in my room, but yeah, that's for if we have guests or something. And we have this shelf here because clearly we do not have enough cabinet space for all 4 of us, so we had to get another shelf here with all of our stuff, towels, everything. So yeah, so here is the living room. And here's a little overview. I know it's probably dark because the window's open, but yeah, here it is. Here's our couch, and we have these 2 pillows here, both from Walmart, $3 for 2-pack, really good deal. That is also from Walmart, and I think this is from Target. Not sure, I think it is from Target though. That's our one couch, and then we have our coffee table. We just have our remote, coasters, Christmas, I said Christmas, fall, pumpkin, whatever theme, and our candle from Bath and Body Works. From over here, we have just a chair with this cute pillow. Don't know where it's from. Actually, let me see. Oh, Target. It's from Target. And then we just have our table of games. We have Uno, What Do You Mean, Taboo, Twister, you name it. Tissues and a little bobblehead for Salisbury. Here is our window where you guys can see our view outside is beautiful. I love it. Very nice. We have these Christmas lights going around the whole apartment here. Then we have this little slinky chair, some stools for when we have company, and then here is our TV. We also have another pumpkin here with a flower on it, and this thing my mom got me. Very nice. Here's our tapestry, goes across this wall, and yeah, that is the living room. So to the left of the living room is my room, and I will get to that. So let me close it and show you guys from the beginning. Alright, so here's my room. Open it, and voila, here's my room. Very, very cute, nice, cozy, got some lights. Here's a little overview. So by the door, when you first walk into my room, we have my bathroom, and the light is very loud, so be prepared. But here it is. I got this curtain, and it came with the rings as well as that carpet. It was all like $10 at Walmart. I also got this shelf for all of my hair stuff. This was like $25 to $30 at Target, so as you see, I don't have that much cabinet space, so I had to get something extra. But here's my shower. I'm sorry for the loud fan, guys, but here's my shower and all my stuff in here. Basic. Got my towel here, and here's this little sink that I was telling you guys about. It's really little. I don't have that much cabinet space underneath, and it's really not that well organized. I could have more space, but yeah. And then here I am. Hello. I wash my face here every morning, brush my teeth, you know. And here is here's my toilet because I have my own bathroom. And then above that I just have some extra toilet paper, paper towels, and then my trash can. Oh, I forgot to mention, these are literally the best pads. So they're chlorine free, and no, this is not sponsored. I got these from Target. I think they were like $6, but you get 42 pads, and it lasts you forever. They're chlorine free, organic. I was having some problems where the normal pads were like irritating me, so I tried these out, and they're perfect. I don't have any issues with them. So yeah. So leave the bathroom. I'm going to get started on my room. So here's my room again. Once you walk in here, I just have these 3 hats on here. These are only 3 hats that I have. And I got this little, what is this called? Forgot. Something, shoot. I'm gonna call it a stool today, or a little seat. Got this from Walmart, $10. Over here, I have this little shelf. This is actually from the Dollar Tree. It was $1, and then I have this YSL perfume that I got from London. And then this little shelving thing is from Five Below. It's $5. I have my trash can down here, which is this really pretty rose gold color. And then here is my mirror. I love this mirror because I be taking my selfies. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys would see I take boomerangs like every single day. Well, whenever I get cute. So yeah, mirror. And then above here, my mom is so sweet. She brought me this thing. It says Dream On. How cute is that? Very cute. So on this side, I have my little nightstand. So I got my remote, my TV remote. And I also got this from Target. It says Daily Gratitude. I actually haven't written in it yet, which I'm going to soon. But basically just says like, today I'm thankful for this, and then tomorrow I'll remember this. Wait, it's focusing. So yeah. And then after that, I had this book. It's actually by my mom. So If you guys want one, I will leave the link down below. It's called Seasons of Myself. Just came out. Very, very good. Poetry book. And then I have this, which says God always has a plan B. And it's just talking about different testimonies of people and, you know, stuff was going wrong, but God always had a plan B. I got these flowers from the Dollar Tree. And then this salt rock, I don't have it plugged up now, or salt lamp is from Five Below, $5. Here's this lamp from Walmart. Very cute. I also have these lights going around the entire bed here. I think it's very cute. Gives it a little cozy feel. And then underneath, I have this storage bin since I don't have any drawers in my nightstand. Got that from Five Below as well for $5. It came in a pack of 3 or 2 or something like that. So here's my bed, and I love my bed because it is a full-size bed. Thank you. I upgraded from that twin-size bed. But yes, I also have above my bed is this travel map, so it shows all the places I've been to. So Mexico, Texas, all down the East Coast, France, Spain, and London. I got this from Amazon. I think it was $25. I'll leave a link down below if I can find it. I got this body pillow from Sam's Club actually, and then this pillow is from Five Below. That's from Walmart. I think it was $9. And yeah, this comforter also, if you guys want to purchase it, it was from Walmart. It was $20. I love it because it's not too thick where it doesn't make me sweat. It's not too thin where I'm still shivering cold. And then I have my laptop here. On the side of my bed, I just have some pictures. I'm sure you guys saw these in my last video, but it's the same pictures, friends, me, etc. And then I also have this blanket here, which is from Sam's Club. It actually goes along with that pillow there. And then over here, I had a plant here, but it got knocked down a couple days ago. So I just put this painting here. This is my mom. She actually painted this for me, so thank you, Mom. Down here is my desk. And above that, I have a clock and this quote. Walmart. This was 98 cents and it stopped working the first week, so I don't recommend. But yeah, so I have my makeup over here. All this is makeup. Then I have the box for the perfume. I have this, which is just like my school supplies, pencil, lip gloss, whatever, sunglasses. I have a lot of sunglasses. I have my lotion and all that stuff. Oh, I forgot to show you guys my window. So here's the view from my window. Very nice. I just have this mirror that I got for Christmas, and it just turns on. It's like a vanity mirror and turns off like that. I have my computer, laptop bag or whatever. Also have my book bag here. Don't mind that bleach thing. Yeah. And then to the right of that, I just have some shoes, and here's my TV. Lovely TV on top of my dresser. I have all of my jewelry here, so I am actually starting to collect jewelry more because I noticed that it makes my outfits look better. So I've been collecting a lot of jewelry, so yeah. And then I just have these drawers here. So the first one is like underwear, bras, stuff, you name it, socks. Then I have my pants, shorts, pajama pants, and then the last 2 drawers are just t-shirts. I have a lot of t-shirts, a lot that are actually stored under my bed. And then I just have my hamper here, which I'm doing laundry at the moment, so my hamper here, and then I have another mirror here, which is so cute. Like, you can see the whole room. And honestly, without this mirror, this wall was like really, really plain. So I think this was $8 at Walmart, I'm pretty sure. And then here I just have my keys, and we're back to the front door. So that is my room. I love it. Super cute, super girly, super cozy. And yeah, so that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this apartment tour. I know it's super overdue, very postponed, but it's here, so thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe down below. If you guys have any comments or questions, leave them down below for me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.